The main ingredient of this recipe is sweet potato. I'm using one medium sweet potato, peel and cut into small chunks. I'm going to cook this in a microwave for 5 to 6 minutes. The cooking time varies depending on the microwave you use, but you know it's ready when sweet potatoes are fork tender. I'm going to use the back of the fork to mash the sweet potatoes until smooth with little chunks. To this, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of potato starch, 1 tablespoon of non-dairy milk. Here I'm using soy milk, pinch of salt, and pepper. Let's mix this well to combine. Now I'm going to divide the dough into 4 portions. The recipe makes for mochi. Now I'm going to transfer 1 portion of the mixture onto the parchment paper. Flatten the mixture and place about 1.5 tablespoon of vegan cheese. I'm using my favorite vegan mozzarella. Now gently fold over the sweet potato mixture over the cheese to completely seal the cheese inside. Use parchment paper for the help. And let's shape this into a nice round disc. Then I'm going to fry these little mochi. I'm going to heat toasted sesame oil in the pan over medium heat. Let them cook for 3 minutes on both sides or until golden brown. Now let's transfer these mochis to the serving plate. Next, I'm going to make the sauce. This sweet savory soy sauce completes the dish, so please don't skip this. Into the same pan, directly add 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of water. Let's mix well and let it boil. Let the sauce cook for a few minutes until it thickens. Now it's time to enjoy. Top the sweet potato mochi with the sauce and black sesame seeds and enjoy while it's warm. This is my favorite Japanese recipe, originally made with potatoes, but I like it with sweet potatoes. Hope you enjoyed my plant-based Japanese recipe. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.